Here is how to delete a repost on TikTok. So first, go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device. So first, let's go ahead and repost a video to show how to remove it. Tap on the share button that is in the bottom right corner of your screen. And there you'll get the repost button in the left side. Go ahead and select it. You can see the indication that I have reposted this video right now. Now, if you want to go ahead and remove this repost, you need to go to your profile. So tap on this profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll find the repost button, which is between the private videos and the favorites section. Go ahead and select it, and here you'll get all the videos that you have reposted so far on TikTok. Now to delete or remove that specific repost, tap on that video, tap on that share button, and then tap on delete repost option, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.